Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about the Poco F3, which is also known as the flagship killer, right? I think you might be excited to hear about it. So let's talk about it. It seems to be a packing of a lot of good features, and let's know about its beautiful body with the sturdy plastic frames. Talking which weight is about 196 grams, and it consists of a lot of beautiful features. And let's talk about its display. The Poco F3 has a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen with 120 Hz refresh rate. And talking about its video aspect ratio, screen display aspect ratio, it consists of 20:9 aspect ratio. Talking about its processor, it consists of Qualcomm Snapdragon 875G octa-core chipset. And talking about its memory, it consists of two variants: 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, and 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, UFC 3.1. And about its OS or software, it consists of Android 11. And talking about its camera, then you might be slightly more overwhelmed after hearing it. Talking about its rear camera, there is a 48 megapixel primary camera and an 8 megapixel ultra wide shooter and a 5 megapixel macro, which is enhanced with autofocus. And the punch hole at the front contains a 20 megapixel selfie shooter. And at back there, at rear camera, there is also a LED flashlight. And talking about its video capture rate, rear camera can capture 4K SD video at the rate of 30 fps, and in 180p it can capture at the rate of 30, 60, 120, 240, 960 fps. It can capture at all this fps rate. And talking about its front camera, it can capture the video at the rate of 180p at the rate of 30 fps and 720p at the rate of 120 fps. And let's talk about its battery. This device gives us 4520 mAh battery backup and support fast charging of 33 watt. It has been advertised that 100% charge can be fulfilled within 52 minutes. Oh my god, isn't it exciting? Yes, I'm excited for it. Let's talk about its another feature, and it consists of fingerprint sensor, and the fingerprint is side mounted, and stereo speaker is also available. And I'm quite excited for this mobile. And what about you? Mention it in comment. And what sort of video you want me to put in this channel, please comment it and I will surely follow it. And also don't forget to recommend the part that I have to improve in my video. So thank you and see you soon in my next video. Thank you very much.